Grandpa used to make them. But when he died, it's like we got to keep this tradition going. So I think of my Grandpa Bergie every time I make these.
Climbing up on Solsbury Hill, I could see the city light. Wind was blowing, time stood still. Eagle flew out of the night. He was something to observe. Came in close, I heard a voice, standing, stretching every nerve. I had to listen, had no choice.